Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. Now, because of infection, people have to stay home and women don't have a chance to infill their nails. So we can see such pictures. Women are disappointed what to do with their high-grown nails. So guys, to show you how to transform these destroyed nails, I have made this video. Let's get started! As you can see guys, my barrel drill bit is removing the gel like a butter. It's very easy, and soon you will have a chance to buy these amazing tools in my store shapeofnail.com. They will be restocked. You know guys, it's your choice what kind of tool to choose, the high quality tool or the medium quality tool. So we have different types of nippers with the brand of Shape of Nail and nippers of the medium quality. So you can buy them all and compare. Now I'm sculpting nails with amazing sculpting mix gel. It's very easy to work with the gel using vintage gel brush, as you can see on the video. After curing in 1 minute in a LED lamp, we are removing tacky layer using the cleaner. Cleaner now is a very important thing. Every person should have the bottle with the cleaner in the pocket. So after removing the tacky layer, we're working with the barrel drill bit again to remove the large amount of gel, and after that we will have to only 2 or 3 motions using the file to apply the fine shaping for these nails. As you can see, the barrel is easily removing the gel from every side, from side walls. You just should to try it, and for sure you will be in love with this drill bit. For those guys who don't believe that we can infill any type of growing down nails, so we can lift nails with the sculpting mix gel and remove the gel from underneath of the nail plate, and we will have such amazing results. Nails are very neat, flat and accurate. So I will use my favorite technique of one stroke technique. Technique of one stroke technique, such stupid what I say. So guys, I'm presenting this amazing course to every customer who order products from my store shapeofnail.com. So you don't have a risk to buy something. Don't have risk, because you will have already the gift, the fantastic course which you can start right now when you receive the access on your email so you can start this course and learn this fantastic technique. And you can also order some training kit, for example flat brush, paint, or anything else you need for doing nails. And staying home will be such easy and interesting for you these days. So guys, I'm supporting you and wishing you happiness and be healthy, staying home, don't go anywhere, and make your fantastic art so easy. As you can see, I'm easily moving my brush and don't waste my time for creating something unusual. This is fantastic, amazing sakura flower. So learn it and be happy. So guys, it's time to compare nails before and after. I think guys you will enjoy my technique and like my work. So don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos with such amazing transformations.